Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some 2023 hair color ideas that you can try out. Here we have someone who decided to go blonde and then with the orange copper color trend towards the ends. This is a play on that dip dye hair color trend that has managed to make a major comeback this season. Such a stunning hair color. Love this color combination. And then we have someone who decided to switch things up with this platinum blonde shade. Wow, absolutely breathtaking. Definitely one of my favorite trends for 2023. And then we move into another hot hair idea, which includes the cherry cola trend. Now this trend does feature like a darker red hair color. And it's pretty much been made popular due to TikTok. A lot of girls are trying out this hair shade. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this gorgeous lavender shade. She does have that 70s inspired layered look for this style, and I think the color just looks absolutely gorgeous within this haircut. And then we have someone else who decided to go copper. So for her hair transformation, she's going to be going completely copper. Wow, that color came out amazing. Truly breathtaking. And then we have another copper and blonde pixie style. Wow, such a unique and bold hair color idea. I love the streaks of blonde. So pretty. Next up, we have a rather unique style as well. Her hair also features the dip dye trend with the blonde going there towards the ends and then more of a platinum blonde towards the top. Beautiful chocolate brown mixed with the blonde. Love the bangs going there in the front. Beautifully done. All right, you guys, I hope you're able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.